In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a drop-down list in Smartsheet. To follow along, start by opening the Smartsheet project where your drop-down lives. In this example, we're working in a copy of a project sheet, but the process is exactly the same for any sheet in your account. Once your sheet is open and you're in the grid view, locate the column that currently has the drop-down values you want to change. This is usually a column like Assigned To, Status, or something similar. Next, move your mouse to the column header and click on it. This will highlight the entire column and open up the Options menu for that column. From that menu, choose Edit Column Properties. This is where you control the column type and the choices that appear in your dropdown. In the Column Properties window, you'll see a section where you can set the column type. If it's currently set to Contact List, that means the column is using Smartsheet contacts rather than a standard dropdown. To turn this into a regular drop-down list, you can fully customize, change the column type from Contact List to Drop-Down List. This tells Smartsheet that you want to manually manage the items users can select. Once you've selected Drop-Down List, click OK to apply that change. Now go back to your sheet and click into one of the cells in that column. When you click on the cell, you'll see the drop-down arrow appear. Click the arrow to open the list of options. You'll see a list of existing choices that were previously used as contacts. Go ahead and select one of the existing options from the list. You can repeat this with other cells in the same column to assign different drop-down values to different rows, choosing whichever entries make sense for your sheet. If you realize you want to adjust the list again, for example, to refine the values or remove unused options, return to the column header and click it again. From the menu, select Edit Column Properties one more time. You'll come back to the same settings window where you can review your column type and options. After confirming everything looks correct and any changes you've made are saved, click OK again. And that's it. You've successfully edited a drop-down list in Smartsheet, switched it from a contact-based setup to a customizable drop-down, and applied those choices to your sheet.